Incidents of hacking corporate websites are continuously increasing in number. While customers are visiting your website, what would happen if they were redirected to other malicious websites or infected by malware? Regardless of company size or industry type, many websites are being hacked. Once the website is hacked, it may lead to loss of trust, brand damage, compensation. In case of a hacking attack which tries to install malware onto the visitor's computer, it takes time to realize what is happening because people don't visually see any change on the website. You can expect to see a large financial loss because the website will need to be shut down until the problem is fixed. GRED WebCheck automatically monitors your corporate website daily to check for hacking attacks. GRED WebCheck does not issue any alert according to the regular website changes because it does not compare the changes made before and after. Secure Brain has a great deal of expertise in malware analysis and detection of malicious websites. GRED WebCheck uses our own proprietary heuristic engine to detect malicious hacking attacks with high accuracy. We regularly update and improve the detection engine when new attacking methods are found and address rapidly changing cyber attacks. When GRED WebCheck detects a hacking attack, it will send an alert email to the designated web administrator. In order to access the control display, either you click the link shown in the email or navigate directly to the URL. When a hacking attack is discovered, the top page of the control display will show a red mark. When you click the red mark with X in the calendar, it shows further information on the attack. The report shows the hacked website URL and further explanation of the attack. Click on View Details. It shows the source code of the hacked page and highlights the hacked coding. By finding the hacked coding quickly, it becomes possible to address the problem quickly. GRED WebCheck can also provide an emergency auto redirect option immediately when a hacked website is detected. By redirecting to the maintenance page, GRED WebCheck protects future visitors from being attacked until the issue is resolved. You can start the GRED WebCheck service just by registering the targeted website URL. Ranked number 1 in Japan for total market share. GRED WebCheck will improve all features and evolve as new attacks emerge and serve you better to expedite your web operation.